Mitec Exponent Training Video: How to add a news item and set dates. A news module is one way to get the latest information about your company to new visitors. You can do this in a headline format, a headline with a short clip, or just the whole story. Now, to create a news module, first we need to go to your container module, click on it. This brings up your module manager. You want to add a new module. Go down to the drop down, look for news module, select it. Your view, go from default to featured news. Once that's clicked, you will go to save. This will bring up your news module. We will then go down and click create news. This will load a new window. And the top area here is pretty self-explanatory. It gives you a simple description of a news module. To start adding news, we go to the headline and put the title of what your story is going to be. Our big news story. And then from there, we go down and we get to the body of the story, and then you'll have to enter what the story is about. And this will allow you to edit and change how you present your story. Now onto the publishing area of the information. If you look, it says published on. It can be published on the date that you want and the time. To change the date and the time, if you want, when you want it to be published, you click uncheck the publish immediately. This brings up a calendar date selector. You can change the date from when you want it to publish by just clicking on the dates. You can change the year. This is previous years. This is current years, months. And in order to be able to change the time, we'll go back. And change the time, you click on the time and you can drag it, or you can just click on the time and it'll change that way too. Okay, and then when you're done setting it, click outside the box and it's done. When you want to click change here, you change the date. When you want it to unpublish, when you want it to come off the story, to drop off your site, you change it there. Once you're done setting it, you click outside the box, and now your story is set when it's going to show and when it's going to come off. Now if you want it to publish immediately and you don't want it to be unpublished and you want it to stay, check both boxes, and now it'll just show up automatically, and you can change when you want it to drop off your website. We will also click this is a featured event, so that'll give it a title, and the first paragraph of your story will also be shown along with your header. And to upload an image, we will get that to later when I show you a brief demonstration of how to use Picasa and to upload an image to that. And to use the tags is something that you use later, and you'll see that it is used to allow to edit, the groups to be group certain stories together, and this is something that needs to be set up later. Once that's all done, you click save, and now you will see your big news story with your first title. A link from the big news story will take you to the whole story, and there you go. And with the back button will allow you to go back to your news story, and that's how you add a new story and set up dates. Thank you.